Hey everyone, Greg from CarID.com and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, we're taking an up-close look at a new series of running boards that we just added to the site. They are built and designed by Willmore Manufacturing, and these right here are their Arches series running boards. Now, being that these are a new addition to the site, I felt it was necessary to get my hands on a set to see how good they really are. And so far, I'm pretty impressed. This running board is definitely geared towards all of you guys out there that want that additional step, but also something that can put up with serious abuse day in and day out. And to make sure that the Arches can withstand a ton of punishment, Willmore manufactured them using a 3-inch steel tubing, which of course is going to be formed for your specific model for a perfect fit. But as strong as that 3-inch tubing is, what's on top of it is just as important. Willmore uses thick aluminum diamond plate for the stepping surface, which not only looks good, but it's also wide enough to give you that ample stepping platform every time you get in and out. All right, now that we have all the construction features covered, let's go ahead and talk about the finishes. Now, Willmore's Arches series running board is only available with 2 finish options, the bright stainless steel, like the ones that we have on our truck, or a powder coat black. But you also have different cab length options to choose from as well. Now, if you're the type of truck owner that is constantly using the bed of your truck, I would highly suggest the wheel-to-wheel option like the ones we have on our Chevy. Willmore designs their wheel-to-wheel board to extend past the cab up along the sides of the bed, so you have a nice firm stepping surface when loading and unloading. But if that really isn't a concern for you, these Arches running boards also come in just your basic cab length options as well. So at this point in the video, it's now time to talk about the installation. Now, the good news is, like most running boards, there is no drilling or cutting required to get these bolted up to your truck. All of the new brackets will bolt right to the factory locations with the provided hardware, so you should have these bolted up within just about an hour. Well guys, that's going to wrap up my review today of Willmore's Arches series running boards. So if you're looking for a tough, work-oriented running board for your truck, head over to CarID.com now to check out these Willmore Arches series and all the other great parts and accessories that they have to offer. And as always, I'm Greg from CarID.com, and I will see you guys next time.